Are you feeling stuck in your career? Tired of hitting plateaus, even when you're doing everything right? Maybe what you're missing isn't more effort, it's more wood. In Feng Shui, the wood element represents growth, expansion, and upward movement. Everything your career needs to thrive. In this video, we'll explore how to use the wood element to activate professional success and bring in new energy, fresh ideas, and upward momentum. Let's get started. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese philosophy that teaches us how to create balance and harmony between ourselves and our environment. At its core are the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. Each element influences different areas of your life: health, relationships, creativity, and yes, your career. These elements don't just sit still, they interact. They nourish or weaken each other, and when they're in harmony, life flows. But when one is missing, like wood, things can feel blocked, stagnant, or uninspired. Let's dive into the wood element. Think of trees, forests, plants stretching toward the sun. That's wood energy, constantly growing, evolving, expanding. Wood represents new beginnings, creativity, vitality, ambition. In your career, wood energy supports taking initiative, career transitions, starting new projects, long-term growth, and stability. If you've felt professionally drained or stagnant, adding more wood energy into your environment can reignite momentum and even attract unexpected opportunities. Now, let's talk about how to bring wood energy into your home or office using practical feng shui tips. First, locate the east or southeast area of your space. According to the Feng Shui Bagua map, east relates to health and family, your support system. Southeast governs wealth and prosperity, including career success. Here's how to activate these zones with wood. Add green plants, bamboo, money plant, or any lush, upward-growing plant is perfect. Use natural materials. Furniture or decor made of wood or bamboo enhances this energy. Incorporate vertical shapes. Tall bookshelves or art with vertical lines symbolize upward movement. Decorate with green and brown. These are wood's colors. Add them through curtains, cushions, or wall art. Wind chimes, wooden. Add a soft, uplifting sound to circulate fresh energy, but be careful not to overdo it. Too much wood can make you feel restless or overwhelmed. Balance is key. Wood energy isn't just for your space. It can show up in your career mindset and branding too. If you're job hunting or running a business, try using a green color palette in your resume, website, or business cards. Adding a wooden desk organizer or pen holder to your workspace. Wearing green or wood tone accessories during interviews or pitches, subtly radiating growth energy. Think of this as energetic signaling. You're aligning your space and self-image with expansion and success. Here's a quick story. One of my clients, a freelance designer, added a tall bamboo plant to her southeast corner and started using green in her marketing. Within 2 months, she landed a major contract that had been stagnant for over a year. Coincidence? Maybe. Alignment? Definitely. When your environment supports your energy, everything changes. You feel more motivated, more creative, and more open to growth. To recap, the wood element fuels career advancement. It represents vitality, new beginnings, and progress. Activating your east and southeast areas with wood can invite new opportunities. Start small. Add a plant, change a color, shift your desk. These aren't just aesthetic choices, they're energetic invitations. And remember, Feng Shui works best when all 5 elements are balanced. So once you activate wood, explore how fire, earth, metal, and water interact in your space too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Feng Shui by Sandeep Raut for more tips on designing a life that flows with abundance and purpose. Got questions about your own workspace or career energy? Drop them in the comments. I personally reply to each one. And remember, when you grow your space, you grow yourself.